It might not be the most exciting choice, but the Toyota Camry is popular for its affordability, spaciousness, and efficiency. For 2025, the family sedan gets a fresh look and bolsters its thrifty credibility by switching its once broad powertrain lineup, which just last year included a V6 as well as both hybrid and non-hybrid 4-cylinders, to include only 2 hybrid options. Available in either front or all-wheel drive, the new hybrid-only Camry produces as much as 232 horsepower. Toyota hasn't announced one yet, but we could see a more powerful plug-in hybrid Camry Prime this time around too. The interior has been revamped with more modern infotainment tech and styling inspired by the larger Crown sedan, but the Camry remains a mid-size car intent on challenging competitors such as the Honda Accord and the Hyundai Sonata. The Camry enters its 9th generation with the 2025 model year, complete with a styling overhaul, a redesigned cabin, and a revised set of exclusively hybrid powertrains. A duo of hybrid powertrains is available on the 2025 Camry, one powering the front wheels and one driving all 4. Front-wheel drive models get a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder and 2 electric motors that combine for 225 horsepower, while all-wheel drive ones add a third motor that drives the rear axle and increases combined output to 232 ponies. A continuously variable automatic transmission is standard with both setups. These powertrains are similar to what's found in the Toyota Prius, just with a 2.5-liter in place of the Prius's 2.0-liter 4. When we get a chance, we'll take the new Camry to our test track and update this story with test results. The EPA hasn't released fuel economy estimates for the 2025 Camry yet, but we expect it to earn similar ratings as last year's hybrid models. That car was rated as high as 51 mpg city and 53 mpg highway. When we get a chance, we'll take the new Camry on our 75 mph highway fuel economy test route and update this story with its real-world MPG. For more information about the Camry's fuel economy, visit the EPA's website. Inside the Camry's spacious interior, there's plenty of room for adults to get comfortable in the front and back seats. The dashboard design is highlighted by a large trim piece that stretches from the passenger side to the infotainment display. Cloth upholstery is standard, as is dual-zone automatic climate control and rear air vents. XLE and XSE models add leather upholstery, heated seats, a heated steering wheel, ambient lighting, acoustic laminated glass, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, and adjustable rear seat headrests.